Now, to be fully transparent, this video is an advertisement for the King of Light bundle pack, but I truly believe that this will be valuable for you, so I will try to tell everything in less than 1 minute. First of all, we have 365 gobos. There's trees, plants, some stuff you've never seen before but can be useful, and procedural gobos that you can tweak yourself, such as this caustic setup. Gobos are just an easy way to add render quality in less than 20 seconds. And then we have Lumio. This is a complete overhaul of Blender's lighting system. Some small examples are switching light collections, moving lights around more intuitively with your mouse, as well as changing parameters from the viewport without switching through different tabs, presets, light painting, gradient lighting, and more. I really believe Lumio is almost perfect, and it really helps enhance your lighting experience in Blender. Finally, we have Geolights Pro, which is a Geometry Nodes lighting solution. It allows you to change lights separately with sliders from one place. It's great for testing different lighting setups faster and works well for simple scenes. So one more time, that's 365 gobos, it's Lumio, the complete lighting overhaul of Blender, and we have the Geometry Node solution called Geolights Pro. If you want more information, you can click on the links in the description. It's on Gumroad, it's on Blender Market, and it's on Patreon. So if you want to support me as a creator or simply get a great tool for everything lighting related, then check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.